Item shape round diamond material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog glass speckle. Case material titanium. Case diameter 42 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band length men's standard. Band width 21 mm. Special features light, luminous. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 165 feet. Top 9. Item shape round dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog class push button deployment class. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 45 mm. Case thickness 14.6 mm. Special features chronograph date, hour, minutes, seconds. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 300 feet. Top 8. Dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog. Glass speckle. Case material resin. Case diameter 43 mm. Band material nylon. Band length men's standard. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 600 feet. Top 7. Item shape round dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog glass push button. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 43 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band length men's standard. Band width 21 mm. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 600 feet. Top 6. Item shape round dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog glass speckle. Case material titanium. Case diameter 43 mm. Band material leather. Band length men's standard. Band width 21 mm. Bezel material titanium. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 600 feet. Top 5. Item shape round dial window material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display type analog glass push button deployment class. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 41 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band Band length men's standard, band width 21 millimeters. Special features chronograph, luminous, tachymeter. Movement Swiss squats. Water resistance depth 300 feet. Top 4. Item shape round, display tab analog. Glass buckle, case material titanium. Case diameter 45 millimeters. Band material nylon, band width 22 millimeters. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 3. Item shape round, aluminum material tab, scratch resistant sapphire. Display tab analog, glass tank buckle. Case material carbon, case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 14 millimeters. Band width 21 millimeters. Band color black. Special features date, hour, minute and seconds. Movement quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 2. Item shape round, aluminum material type anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog, glass buckle. Case material stainless steel, case diameter 43 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Band material rubber. Special features luminous, Myers, seconds. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 600 feet. Top 1. Dial window material tab anti-reflective sapphire. Display tab analog. Glass buckle, case material resin, case diameter 42 millimeters. Case thickness 13 millimeters. Band color grey, dial color grey. Movement Swiss quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters.